That right there, that's a buttress thread roller. Not cutting, rolling. Pull from the thread directly into the part. On a VABS tow hook, M12 by 22. Let's get into it. Buttress thread, asymmetric profile. One flank nearly perpendicular to the axis. That's your load flank. The other angled for easy assembly. Maximum axial load capacity. Minimum stress concentration. For a tow hook that only pulls one way, this is the only thread that makes sense. M12 by 22. Blank turn to pitch diameter. No chips, pure compression. The die displaces material, pushes it out to form the major, in to form the minor. Cold working, that actually makes the thread stronger. Roll head backed off, first pass easy, dial it in. Watch this. 3 passes. Rolling head engages, dies compress the buttress profile, coolant keeps it controlled. No tearing, no burrs. Grain flows with the thread instead of being cut across it. Pass 1, 2, 3, full depth. Stronger than single point, stronger than tapping, every time. There it is. Clean buttress thread on the finished VABS tow hook. Consistent flanks, full depth, ready for service. If you're running production on safety-critical fasteners with unidirectional load, this is your process. Subscribe for more content, for more thread rolling content.